May June 2016 AS exam. Which compound contains two different elements with identical oxidation states? So there is no other way to do this other than trying to find the oxidation state of every element in all of them. So we have HCl and O. H is +1 and oxygen is -2. So how to find chlorine? We know that the +1 of hydrogen plus chlorine -2 for oxygen is equal to 0. So if you put the -2 on the other side, it will be +2, and H on the other side, it will be -1. So chlorine will be +1. I can see here that the hydrogen and the chlorine are both +1. So this is our answer, but we'll just go through the rest to make sure that it is not correct choice. Magnesium hydroxide, I will start with the hydrogen as +1 and the oxygen is -2. So the hydroxide ion is all -1 and multiplied by 2 is -2. And magnesium will be +2. Then sodium sulfate, I have sodium as +1 for every sodium, so both of them are +2. And oxygen is -8. So to find sulfur, we'll put -8 on the other side as +8, and sodium will be -2. So sulfur will be +8 -2 is equal to +6. I don't have any element here which have the same, two elements here which have the same oxidation states. NH4Cl, hydrogen is +4 and chlorine is -1. We take care of chlorine on the previous one. In HClO, we had to make chlorine the last one because we were not sure about chlorine. But here I have the choice between nitrogen and chlorine, and I can say that chlorine is -1, but for nitrogen it's difficult to start with it. So I'll start with hydrogen and chlorine in the ammonia and in the ammonium chloride, but the nitrogen will be the last one. Nitrogen +4 -1 is equal to 0, so nitrogen is equal to -3. Again, there is no other choice that is correct, so our answer will be A.